il va vous faire plaisir parce qu'il est avec nous. Il est avec nous. Est-ce qu'on a quand même un autre titre de l'artiste même on pourra prendre? Sinon, recevez d'abord cette autre musique et après
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks for writing us already. Ça fait du bien de recevoir vos messages déjà concernant notre thématique d'aujourd'hui. Pourquoi est-ce que les parents n'envoient plus les enfants passer les vacances au village? Donnez-nous vos raisons par SMS ou par WhatsApp. On vous prend avec beaucoup de plaisir. Mais à présent, nous recevons Mr. Tex de Chronicles of Tex, qui, n'est-ce pas, est un homme culturel et de médias du côté de Douala, qui passe par là nous rendre visite et nous apporte des informations super importantes venant de Buea. Good afternoon, Mr. Tex, and welcome.
Good afternoon, Jerry. Good afternoon, viewers of my TV channel.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing okay, and you?
I'm okay. I love your shirt.
Okay.
And
I love yours too.
This proof that the designers in Buea are working very hard.
They are doing awesome, great. They are so talented.
How is Buea doing?
Well, Buea is always fresh.
We know you are between Douala and Buea anyway.
Yeah, but Buea is my locality. So
Yeah.
Buea is always doing great.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. You brought some gist for us from Buea. What's happening over there?
Well, before we get into the gist, I want us to talk about first the Chronicles of Tex,
Okay.
which it's every Sunday on Mirror Radio TV, 93.7 FM, from 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. The Chronicles of Tex, as you know, is an editorial program that aims at tackling social-cultural ills.
Yeah.
And for the past 2 weeks now, we had as a guest Ibali, the Afro-spiritual artist, who was with us last 2 weeks. We're talking about art and patriotism, and he said something really caption. He said it's time Africans start being racist towards
like seriously?
yeah, like because if we need to grow, it means we need to be racist.
Yes.
Like the whites do. And last week we had some iconic ladies who are entrepreneurs. They are young. And last week, it should be noted, it was hosted by Larissa.
Okay.
Since I was not present, so she hosted the program.
Big up to Larissa, of course, the lady chronicle.
Yeah, the Madame Chronicles.
Madame Chronicles, yeah. All right. So, what is the projection so far of the Chronicles of Tex? Sunday is not far. Yeah, some days to Sunday.
Yeah.
Do we have a team already, and what will be happening?
No, not yet a team, but we already have what we shall be talking about. You know, we shall be talking with some Afro dance or the street dance.
Okay.
Because we always know those people are highly projected. When we only watch musicians and so on. We don't get to know more of those dancers. So we shall be talking to a few of them, and before then we'll get you.
You had Chronicle of Tex is head of Mirror Radio TV. It's in Douala. It's 93, I think. 93.7 FM, and of course you can find it live show on the TV, and it's happening every Sunday from 10:30 to 12 noon. You can just follow the Chronicles of Tex on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and other platforms, so you don't miss on any of these editorial. Very, very interesting when they get to treat a topic or a subject. Man, you are educated by force. It's a very interesting program that you should follow. Now let's go to Buea. What's happening?
Well, Buea, as you know, is doing great, and I want to first talk about Kwajiga, who you know personally.
Kwajiga T.
Yeah, who is doing a great job concerning this.
But this is Mutengene. We should say that Kwajiga T is based in Mutengene.
No, when we say Mutengene, it's also Buea.
Okay, all right.
So you can say it's Buea too.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, so I would like to talk about his tea, which is gaining a lot of grounds in Southwest and Littoral because of the impact it gives to our health. Kwajiga tea, as you know, you have 3 different kinds of tea which he produces. You have the standard flavor, which is the Flavor Grass tea, which you can get for 1,000 francs. You have ginger lemon, which you can get for 2,000 francs, and you have the mint flavor, which is that helps kill your cough, catarrh, and so on, which it's also 1,500. And you can get Kwajiga tea at the City Shop Tiko Mutengene. You can also get Kwajiga tea at the Test 10 restaurant in Bonaberry and Sieng Road. And you can get Kwajika tea too at TM Cosmetic on 3rd Malingo. So it's a tea which is very, very, very good for you to consume, and it will be very, very important. You will also consume the tea too.
Of course. I was fortunate to get the fever grass.
Fever grass tea.
The fever grass tea, yeah. But the other ones I still need to test them. But it's good that the selling points are being multiplied, and we can have Kwajika tea in different towns also. And you should also know that you can command the Kwajika tea online and you have them
delivered to you.
Il s'agit donc du thé, le thé qui est le thé, la citronnelle en thé, voilà, qui a été bien produit par un Camerounais, qui vous permet donc de pouvoir prendre le thé à la maison naturellement comme le thé que nous connaissons. Ça peut être Lipton et autres, mais cette fois-ci il s'agit de notre produit qui vient bien sûr combattre contre beaucoup de problèmes de santé, hein. La citronnelle qu'on ne présente plus, mais cette fois-ci qui vous est servi, qui est bien emballé. Hein, comme le bien emballé que quelqu'un a dit. Merci bien. Kwajika tea qui est disponible donc en ligne pour tous ceux qui voudront bien passer le commande. Peu importe où vous êtes, vous pouvez bien l'avoir. Il suffit suffisamment de chercher en ligne Kwajika tea.
Yes, Jerry, we also have Meso Designs. It's a sewing classes for holiday makers.
All right.
For those who may be sending their children to Boya, be rest assured you can register your children for sewing classes. No one can know. Maybe they might become the great fashion designers you have always wished for. And it's taken from the 6th of July to the 13th of August. Meso Designs is based in Boya, precisely Campaign Street, and registration is currently going on. And you can have Meso Designs too on Facebook platforms, on Instagram, and you get to contact with them so that you can register your children there. And it's also noted that Meso Designs is also the one who produced what I'm wearing today. So she's doing a marvelous job when it concerns designs. And for those who are in Boya, they already know, but for those who are in Yaoundé, Douala, if you want to send your children to Boya, rest assured it will be your best holiday workshop for your children.
Thank you very much. It's not yet ending because we should say that Boya is really in the heart of holidays, ready to accompany Cameroonians that way. Let's talk a little bit about the services at home for those who really don't have time, to be able to take care of their home and so on.
Yeah, sure. And precisely Douala is a very busy town, and so many people always find it difficult to take care of their home duties. So we have a very, very passionate lady here who is doing a great job concerning home service. We call him Bully Home Service. Their services are, we have interior and exterior home cleaning, we have home laundry, office cleaning, kitchen services like cooking. You can call them to cook for you, to wash your dresses, purchase home items. So they are available also on Facebook. You can contact them, and you can also contact them too on the information that will be shown on the flyers for more information for those who are in Douala.
All right, thank you very much. Que de rendez-vous, en tout cas, beaucoup de bonnes choses qui vous est proposées de ce côté de Boya et de Douala pour ceux qui veulent aller passer les vacances de ce côté-là. Vous êtes alors servis. Let's now conclude with Asaba. Once more, bringing something new on the market.
Yeah, Asaba, as you know, is a very talented female artist who is gaining grounds, unlike the Tina. And, she has a new release today, Dodo Kido, which you can find on YouTube, on all the musical platforms you know. And she's doing a very, very marvelous job. And so many people are already getting to know much more about Asaba, which I say she's kind of unique, like Simi of Nigeria. So many people call her that way. So she has a new release, which you can find on YouTube as we speak right now, and it's good for consumption.
Wow. On va donc prendre l'extrait, Alex, de cette annonce d'Asaba qui est déjà annoncée, en tout cas, nouvelle sortie, programmée, annoncée. Allons-y prendre l'image.
Autre chose, ne bougez pas, merci de rester sur le Speakage. messieurs, bonsoir. Mesdames, messieurs, bonsoir. Bienvenue sur
Le Speaker Show.
Mesdames, messieurs, bonsoir à vous. Bienvenue sur votre plateau. Bienvenue sur le Speaker Show, mesdames et messieurs. C'est un jour très spécial. Bienvenue sur
Le Speaker Show.
And when it's 4 p.m., time for you, of course, to have some crazy achievement time. Time for you to have fun. Time for you to be informed. Time for you to exchange and interact, of course, with different actors and talents around 237. It's also time for you to, of course, be able to share with us what is your thought, what you think, what's happening, where you are, where you're watching us from. Of course, it's going to be awesome to get to know, to hear about you. That's the reason why we're very excited to be with you once more today. Bien sûr, un plaisir renouvelé, mesdames et messieurs, celle de vous retrouver sur
Le Speaker Show.
Accompagne désormais dans tous vos besoins de communication et événementiel. Il est aussi un artiste du Speaker Events, mesdames, messieurs. Il va vous faire plaisir parce qu'il est avec nous. Il est avec nous. Est-ce qu'on a quand même un autre titre de l'artiste même on pourra prendre? Sinon, recevez d'abord cette autre musique et après on en parle autre chose. Ne bougez pas. Merci de rester sur le Speaker Show. Il est simple, allez simplement sur Facebook, tapez Asaba. I think that's the name you can have on Facebook.
Yeah, Asaba on Facebook, or you go to YouTube, you tap Asaba, and Dodo Kido, you find the music already online.
Il faut dire que là, ce titre est vraiment attendu. C'est un titre qui certainement va pouvoir repositionner l'artiste après un moment de silence. Asaba qui revient donc en force. Merci bien, Mr. Tex, pour toutes ces informations. Tu es à Yaoundé encore pour combien de temps? Do we have you throughout the week or you be going back soon?
I'm still in Yaoundé, but by Saturday I should be in Douala.
Of course, so you should be on air on Sunday.
Okay.
All right. Before we go, let's talk a little bit about our talking point today. Holidays and children and parents. Why do you think that parents no more want to send their children to the village as it was done in the past?
Well, it's a little bit complex because in our past the society was less rigorous. When I mean less rigorous, we had less damages we have now, and in fact it was less insecure. But now sending children to villages is kind of like, I'll take a case study of the English region part of Cameroon. Because of the crisis. You see so many parents don't send their children
again. It's not very secure.
Yeah, so it's something which is a little bit, it deals with a little bit the atmosphere too of the region. And the village nowadays is something which some parents will find it maybe might downgrade the children's mindset and so on, but it's very, very important. It's a culture that we missed, and I think many if our parents nowadays still do that, it might change some of our children's mentality.
Ils pensent que c'est une question de sécurité, raison pour laquelle les parents ne veulent plus envoyer leurs enfants au village pour les vacances. Que pensez-vous à la maison? Pourquoi est-ce que les parents ne veulent plus envoyer leurs enfants passer les vacances au village avec les grands-parents comme cela a été fait dans le passé? Dites-nous par SMS ou par WhatsApp. Entre-temps, nous allons quand même laisser ce communiqué pour ceux-là qui nous regardent, ceux-là qui sont fidèles à l'émission. L'émission passée, quelqu'un est passé par ici et a laissé la clé de sa voiture ou sa moto. Sa voiture, ça doit être une Mercedes, voilà. Donc si vous connaissez quelqu'un ou encore c'est vous, n'hésitez pas de passer à la maison, de passer à My TV Channel situé au Carrefour Montbord pour récupérer votre clé. Merci bien de rester de nôtre. La suite avec une célébration, la célébration, n'est-ce pas, de la maison du pape. Lorsqu'on parle du pape musical au Cameroun, de qui est-ce que vous pensez? En tout cas, allons d'abord suivre un peu de musique. Laisse l'enfant. C'est le dernier conseil du pape. En tout cas, c'est le pape du Bolé qui dit laissons l'enfant. Et après, on vous apporte une information super capitale. Ne bougez pas.
C'est encore Petit Malo, le garçon du Quata. Il va encore vous faire un mot. Une pensée à ceux qui nous ont précédés. Michael Scofield, le sorcier Boogie, Narcisse Lende.
L'embolé rythme venu du Soukouad,
Ibrahim Mustafa,
parti à Dubaï, et aujourd'hui partout dans le monde.
Pour la SAP mondiale.
Ils peuvent se nourrir, ils peuvent se vêtir,
toujours combattu mais jamais abattu.